Hi, good morning, my dear children. How are you, dear children? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, dear children, today's English class is there. So, all of you open the Smart Kids Semester Course Book 1. Okay, all of you open the page number 1717. 1717. Okay, dear children, sixth one topic, this and these. Okay, today we will learn about the this and these. Okay, THIS this, AND and THESE this. Okay, these is the plural form of this. We use this to tell about one thing or one person. Okay, we use these to tell about more than one thing or one person. Okay, my dear children, come to down. Dear children, first all of you listen here. All of you, first you should read the all sentence. First you should read the all sentence. This type. First read one spelling and first keep your pencil on the word. Next read only one spelling and next pronounce the word. Okay, this is compulsory. This type, follow me. I will give you one example. Okay, reading example. THIS this, IS is AN and APPLE apple. This is an apple. This type you should read compulsory all sentences. Okay, first reading is very important. Okay, so all of you first read the all sentence. Okay, next, what is this? First question, what is this? This is an apple. Okay, how many apples are there here, dear children? Only one apple. Okay, one apple. So this is singular. Okay, one means singular. So that time we should use this. This is an apple. Already you have learnt in back class. Okay, this already you have learnt in back class. Okay, here already given some pictures. Here also some pictures, and here given the sentences. Okay, dear children, here only one apple. Okay, so this is singular object, so that time we should use this. Okay, next, once again repeat, my dear children, this should be used when talking about things that are nearby us. Okay, this should be used when talking about things that are nearby us. Okay, next, this should be used when there is only one object. Okay, and this should be used when there is a singular object. Keep in your mind. Okay, dear children, once again, this should be used when talking about things that are nearby us. This should be used when there is only one object, and this should be used when there is a singular object. This is singular object, so that time we should use this. Okay, don't confuse. Next, what is this? These. Okay, my dear children, THESE, these. Okay, okay, what are these? What is this? One apple. So what is this? What are these? What are these? These are apples. These are apples. Okay, dear children, how many apples are there here? Here, 3 apples. How many apples are there here? Here, 3 apples is there. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. So, this is singular or plural? This is plural. This is plural. So these is the plural form of this. These is the plural form of this. Okay, once again, these is the plural form of this. Okay, means I will give one example. Book, books. Pen, pens. This type, this, these. Okay, dear children, there, these is the plural form of this. Next, these should be used when talking about things. Okay, these should be used when talking about things that are nearby us. Okay, once again repeat. These should be used when talking about things that are nearby us. These is the plural form of this. Okay, these should be used when there are more than one object. Once again, I will repeat you. These is the plural form of this. Okay, these is the plural form of this. These should be used when there are more than one object. Okay, more than one object. These should be used when there are more than one object. Here already more than one object. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So these, that time we should use these. Okay, these are apples. Okay, dear children, this is a monkey. This is a girl. This is an elephant. These are apples. Okay, these are monkeys. These are girls. These are elephants. Okay, dear children, come to here. How many apples are there here? Only one apple here. So that time we should use this. Okay, dear children, how many monkeys are there here? Here only one monkey is there. So that time we should use also this. Okay, how many girls are there here? Here only one girl is there. So that time also we should use this. How many elephants are there here? Here only one elephant is there. Okay, this is singular object. So that time we should use this. Okay, these are all singular object. Only one object here. So we should compulsory use this. Okay, this is an apple. This is a monkey. This is a girl. This is an elephant. This type. Okay. Here already given 3 apples. Okay, how many apples are there? 3 apples are there. So more than one things here, more than one apple here. So that time we should use these. Okay, how many monkeys are there here? Here 3 monkeys. So more than one things here, more than one monkeys here. So that time we should use these. This is, all of you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many girls are there here? Here 6 girls are there. So that time we should use these. These are girls. This is plural. Okay, girl singular, girls plural. So we should also these. So next, come to down. How many elephants are there? Elephants are there here? Here 3 elephants are there. So we should also these. Okay, because more than one elephant is there. So more than one elephant are there here. Okay, more than one elephant are there here. More than one girls are there here. More than one monkeys are there here. More than one apples are there here. So we should use compulsory these, because these is the plural form of this, because these is the plural form of this. Okay, this is singular, this is plural. Okay, don't confuse children. First you should read all sentence, and you should write in 4-line notes all these sentences. Okay, and submit me.